Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple Raku tutorial, basically creating a text file .txt on the desktop. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine, which is going to be here, so that's going to be sub, and I'm going to call it create txt. Okay, so that's anybody who looks at that knows exactly what it's all about. So to create it on my Windows desktop, I'm going to create a scalar variable called desktop path, and my desktop path is this. This won't be your desktop path. If you try to type this in and run it, you will get an error. So this is my own unique desktop path. You will have to find your own unique desktop path. In fact, I've made a mistake there. It should be. Okay, that's more like it. So that's the desktop path and that's the scalar variable. So all we do is chdir, change directory to the desktop path. Now we should be in this path. Right, so we're going to create a txt file on the desktop. So create a scalar variable. I'm going to call it file name. And I'm going to assign it to my text.txt. Now I'm going to create another scalar variable called content. So content here, which is going to go inside the file in the form of text, is going to be this is some text. Right, we're going to use something called spurt now, and we're going to do file name and scale content. Now all we have to do is call this function. So it's going to be create txt. Save it and run the program from the terminal. So it's going to be Raku, and my program is called new.raku. Hit enter. Okay, so everything looks okay. Let's just go and have a look if it's actually created that file on our desktop. So there we go. That's the file. If we open it up, we've got the text. This is some text. So guys, there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.